A wonderful morning, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this morning, we need to take a look on very important matters. I have said time without numbers. Kana wakavenga chamisa, wakavenga MAI Vako, wakavenga baba vako, wakavenga mukadzi wako, wakavenga vana nehama dzako. Musi wavanorwara, ndipo uchaona kuti makandiwo hasi Mwari. What is happening is that if you go right now to Parirenyatwa Hospital, you will find that is the only hospital maybe in Harare, together with Harare Hospital, where you can get some services which you never get in other hospitals. Maybe you can add Mpilo and UBH on the list. So, in the entire nation of Zimbabwe, you would see that if you need to have radiotherapy, you would go to Parirenyatwa only in the past few years. It was once UBH and Parirenyatwa, but few years ago, it was now Parirenyatwa only. And at this moment in time, if they didn't resume these days, it means there is no radiotherapy activity happening in all public institutions. So I stand to be guided correctly for the time being if they are now rendering such services, which means munhu wese ane cancer ari kuenda through chemotherapy only. And for those vanenge vane side effects because of chemo, they will not have an alternative of radiotherapy. Kana mushini uyoyo uri one at Parirenyatwa only, Zimbabwe yese, just imagine uri kumakuti, just imagine uri kuBedbury, just imagine uri kuChipinge, just imagine uri kwaTepetepe. Everybody you will need to meet in Harare. Imagine you don't have a relative in Harare. You have to go and rent a place, or you have to go and sleep at the hospital. The day you go to Masvingo General Hospital and you'll be referred to Harare is the day you understand the reason why we need vision. The day you go to Chivu Hospital and they will fail to treat you, common injuries or diseases which are treated at clinics in other countries, that is the day you realize that you have been joking and you have been playing. This issue we are talking about of change, guys, it's not because we simply need change. No, it's about saving lives. I'm telling you the truth. Kana wakavenga chamisa wakavenga hama dzako, because musi wavachatambura iwewe you will be occupied elsewhere, maybe kubasa. You won't be there for them in Harare. You won't be there for them. I had a personal experience at Parirenyatwa, I can tell you. Uchienda uchinorara paParirenyatwa so vanhu makabata queue. That was a very terrible experience ever. But right now, when you tell some people who are within the ruling party, we don't hate ED. We hate poor policies. We hate poor planning. We hate incompetence. So, Team Zimbabwe, let us remind each other each and every day to say, right now, in the health sector. Yes, ZANU-PF will run propaganda. ZANU-PF will blame other countries. ZANU-PF will blame other people. They will never blame themselves. You have to ask yourself why. It's because they don't want to take responsibility. They don't want any sort of a responsibility. They don't want. Because they hate you, they hate me, they hate us. That is the reason why you are seeing there are a lot of requests by parents to say, ndibatsirewo mwana wangu aende kuIndia kunorapwa mwoyo, ndibatsirewo mwana wangu aende kuIndia kunorapwa zvakati. And if you take a look on the charge, it will be more than 10,000 United States dollars. Our doctors are moving from Zimbabwe, qualified doctors, moving from Zimbabwe to other countries with facilities because muno muZimbabwe macho anogona kuswera akagara asina zvekuti anga achirapisa mwoyo wacho, which means that doctor will be rendered useless because of the situation in the system. Just imagine my radiographers kuti when you have just one working hospital in a radiotherapy machine, just imagine all the radiographers in Zimbabwe. You have to imagine that. That is the kind of Zimbabwe we are living in. And do you see hope? Personally, I don't. This is the reason why we are saying, let us bring change to the nation of Zimbabwe. Kana wakavenga Chamisa, wakavenga MAI Vako, wakavenga mukadzi wako, wakavenga hama dzako, pavacharwara ndopauchaona kuti Jesu idombo hama yako.